Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling stiff, heavy, or just mentally foggy? You're not lazy. Your body's just stuck in yesterday's tension. We're about to reset that. One breath, one movement at a time. Let's hit the mat. If you've been hunched over a desk or curled up on one side all night, this move is like a full body sigh of relief. Starts in a kneeling position. Step your right foot out to the side. Reach your right arm up and over. Feel that side body elongate. Keep your hips stacked, chest open. Don't collapse into the stretch. Lift through the ribs. You'll feel a deep lengthening from your outer hip to your fingertips. If you're not feeling it yet, check if you're folding forward instead of reaching sideways. Switch sides after 30 seconds. I promise unlocking your side body first gives your breath somewhere to go. Let's hold 5 more seconds. That just opened up your ribs. Now let's build on that length. Think of this one as a side body tune-up. It gently awakens the spine, shoulders, and hips. Sit cross-legged or with legs out in front. One hand down, the other overhead. Bend sideways like you're drawing a rainbow with your ribs. Keep both sit bones grounded. Reach further with your top arm, but keep the neck relaxed. Did you know tight obliques can literally restrict your breathing? Hold for 5 more. And switch sides halfway. Next, we're going from seated to standing to wake up the whole chain. Here's where we lock in posture and symmetry, because tension loves to hide in your sides. Stand tall, feet shoulder width. Reach one arm overhead and lean to the side without twisting. Imagine lifting up before you bend over. Feel that? That's your QL and intercostals releasing. Beginners, keep the bend shallow. Advanced stretches, add a wrist pull for a deeper stretch. Did you know that this move improves spinal hydration first thing in the morning? That's real longevity work. You just unlocked both sides. Now let's add strength to that mobility. This is your challenge round. Time to groove into those hips and inner thighs. Step out wide, shift your weight side to side like a slow moving pendulum. Keep your chest up and heels planted. Beginners, use a chair for balance. Advanced stretches, sink deeper and hold each side for a beat. Push yourself to go 10% deeper on each shift. This is the rhythm reset your hips have been craving. Hold 5 more seconds. Now get ready to move in a full circle. Let's finish with control, coordination, and a little play. Stand tall, feet on the hips. Slowly circle your hips like you're drawing a full hula hoop in the air. Switch directions halfway. Keep the core engaged and breathe as you move. This is your reset loop from stress to flow. Why this matters? Coordination activates your brain and body at the same time. It's like coffee for your nervous system. Can you go 5 seconds slower and smoother? That's it. Breath restored, rhythm reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.